Carbocation replacement reactions in alkyl halides. So carbocation replacement reactions in alkyl halides. One is replacement by hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. So hydroxyl group is the OH minus. So the replacement of hydroxyl group. So then alkyl halide RX, it is treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide. It is the aqueous potassium hydroxide. In KOH, OH is the hydroxyl group. Now replacement of halogen by hydroxyl group, that is OH minus. So then the obtained compound is R, it is OH, ROH, K plus X, it is KX. So in this replacement, alcohols is obtained. So it is explained with one example. Let us consider C2H5Cl ethyl chloride alkyl halide. It is reactive with aqueous potassium hydroxide. So then halogen is replaced by hydroxyl group. So it is C2H5OH ethyl alcohol is obtained. So then potassium chloride. So it is the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohols. So now second replacement reactions is carbocation is replaced by cyanide group. So Cn is the cyanide, Cn minus is cyanide. So then its representation is alkyl halide RX. It is treated with potassium cyanide. This potassium cyanide is the alcoholic potassium cyanide. So then alkyl plus Cn, it is the alkyl cyanide plus Kx. So then alkyl cyanides is obtained. So it is explained with one suitable example. Let us consider ethyl chloride alkyl halide. It is treated with potassium cyanide. So potassium cyanide is alcoholic potassium cyanide. So then C2H5, it is Cn plus KCl. It is the ethyl cyanide. So the structural representation of ethyl cyanide is number of carbons 2 in ethyl, C triple bond N. So it is CH3, it is CH2. Now the question is arises, in this ethyl cyanide, what is the covalency of carbon? Now covalency of the carbon is 4. So then third replacement reactions is carbocation is replaced by isocyanide group. So then isocyanide is the NC, isocyanide. Now alkyl halide RX, it is treated with silver cyanide AgCN. It is the alcoholic AgCN. So the obtained compound is alkyl with isocyanide. It is CN, it is NC, it is a cyanide, it is isocyanide plus AgX. So then it is explained with one suitable example. So then ethyl chloride C2H5Cl treated with silver cyanide AgCN. It is the alcoholic. So the obtained compound is C2H5NC plus silver chloride AgCl. So it is the ethyl isocyanide. So now the representation of the ethyl isocyanide is, it is CH3 CH2 N triple bond C. So now in this compound the covalency of carbon is 3. But in cyanides carbon covalency is 3. So then fourth replacement reaction is, fourth one is carbocation is replaced by alkoxy group. So alkoxy group is, for example, NaO, it is R dash. So sodium alkoxide. So methoxy sodium. So this reaction is also known as Williamson synthesis reaction. Williamson synthesis reaction. So in this reaction, ethers is obtained. For example, alkyl halide RX, it is treated with sodium alkoxide, it is NaOR dash. So now the obtained compound is ROR dash, R dash plus Na combines with X, it is the NaX. So ROR is the functional group of ethers. So then it is explained with one suitable example. Ethyl chloride C2H5Cl, it is treated with NaOC2H5. So ethoxy sodium ethoxide, number of carbons 2. So then C2H5, it is O, it is C2H5. So C2H5 O, it is C2H5. Methyl dimethyl ether. So then Na combines with Cl, it gives NaCl. The obtained compound is diethyl ether. So then fifth replacement reaction is carbocation replaced by amine group So now, for example, alkyl halide, it is treated with ammonia NH3. So then minus HX. So then RNH2. So it is the primary amines is obtained. So then again the excess of alkyl halide is taken, so then plus Rx minus Hx Hx. So then the octane compound is R NH, it is the R NH, it is the R. So then minus Hx, so it is the secondary amine. So now again addition of alkyl halide, removal of Hx. So then R, it is N, it is R, it is R. So it is the tertiary amine. Then finally addition of alkyl group, then the octane compound is R N, it is R, it is R, it is R, and it is R. So it is plus it is X minus. So it is the quaternary amine. It is the quaternary amine. Quaternary ammonium salt is obtained. So now it is explained with one suitable example. For example, let us consider ethyl chloride C2H5Cl. It is treated with ammonia. So then minus HCl. So the obtained compound is C2H5NH2. It is the primary amine. So then same as plus Rx minus Hx. So then now N, it is C2H5, it is C2H5, so it is H, it is secondary amine. So then again plus Rx means alkyl chloride, so that is C2H5Cl minus HCl. So then nitrogen, it is C2H5, it is C2H5, it is C2H5, it is the tertiary amine. So then again addition of alkyl halide ethyl chloride, so the obtained compound N, C2H5, C2H5, so it is plus X minus means it is the Cl minus. So this nitrogen is a quaternary amine. So now the question is arises, what is the covalency of nitrogen in quaternary amine? So the covalency of nitrogen is 4. So this reaction is also known as Hoffman ammoniation. Hoffman ammoniation reaction. So it means the replacement of amine group by the alkyl halide. Finally, quaternary ammonium salts is obtained. In quaternary ammonium salt, the covalency of nitrogen is 4. This reaction is also known as Hoffman ammoniation reaction. So now, next replacement reactions, carbocation is replaced by carbocation is replaced by halides, replaced by halides, replaced by halides. So now alkyl halide RX, it is treated with NaX. For example, it is NaX means it is NaI. So then it gives, so it is alkyl iodide plus it is NaX. NaX. So one halogen, one type of alkyl halide converted into another type of alkyl halides. So it is explained with one suitable example. For example, let us consider ethyl chloride C2H5Cl. It is treated with sodium iodide. So then it gives ethyl C2H5I. So ethyl iodide plus NaCl. NaCl. For example, ethyl bromide alkyl halide, it is treated with NaF like that, or NaF. So then it gives C2H5, it is F, C2H5F plus NaBr. So now next replacement reaction is carbocation is replaced by alkynides. So for example, alkyl halide RX, it is treated with R. It is, for example, it is sodium acetylide Na. It is C triple bond. It is CH. It is the sodium acetylides, sodium acetylides. So then the obtained compound is R, C single bond C, triple bond CH. So then R, C, triple bond, it is CH. So sodium combines with halogen, it gives NaX. So these are the alkynides. So it is explained with one suitable example. For example, let us consider ethyl chloride C2H5Cl. It is treated with sodium acetylide NaC triple bond, it is CH. So the obtained compound is ethyl C2H5 single bond C triple bond CH plus Na combines with Cl, it gives NaCl. It is the ethyl acetylide. The obtained compound is ethyl acetylide. So then next replacement reaction is carbocation is replaced by carboxylate ions. So then alkyl halide, it is treated with silver Ag, silver salt of carboxylate ion AgCOO or carboxylate ion. So then alkyl and it is the carboxylate ion. So then it is RCOOR. So then silver combines with halogen, it gives silver halide AgX. So it is the esters. So in replacement of the carbocation by carboxylate ion, esters is obtained. So now it is explained with one suitable example. Ethyl chloride C2H5Cl, it is treated with silver salt of carboxylate ion COO C2H5 C2H5. It gives ethyl C2H5 C2H5 COO and C2H5 C2H5 plus silver combines with chlorine, it gives silver chloride. So the obtained compound is ethyl diethyl ester. It is the diethyl ester is obtained. So these are the replacement reactions of carbocation by the corresponding groups. So then next one